Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rodent cage is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your furry friend, impacting their health, happiness, and overall quality of life. Choosing the right cage involves considering factors like size, material, features, and of course, the specific needs of your rodent species, ensuring a safe, comfortable, and enriching environment for years to come. Number 5. Critter Nation 161 Cage. This spacious cage provides a comfortable and safe home for your small animal. It's designed for easy cleaning and access. The wide shelf and leak-proof pan give your pet plenty of room to play and explore, preventing dangerous falls. It's perfect for active pets. Full-width doors and a removable shelf make cleaning and feeding a breeze. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time with your pet. With 0.6-inch square tubing and 1 2-inch wire spacing, it allows for climbing and exploration while keeping your pet secure. It's designed to satisfy natural instincts. No tools are needed for assembly, and the 4 locking casters make it easy to move around. Setup is quick and simple. Midwest Homes for Pets has been family-owned for over 100 years, providing quality products and excellent customer support. You can trust in our commitment to quality. It comes complete with 1 pan, 1 shelf, 1 ramp with cover, and 4 locking wool casters. Everything you need is included. What we like? It boasts multiple levels and a spacious design, providing ample room for your furry friends to play and explore. The full-width doors allow for easy cleaning and access. If you have multiple small animals or need a large cage, this is the perfect option for you. What people say? The build quality is top-notch, and it's the safest cage I've found for my pets. The design is spacious, giving them plenty of room to play and explore. The leak-proof pans make cleaning a breeze, and the included shelf, ramp, and ramp cover are great for creating different levels of activity in the cage. The Critter Nation is solid. Lots of room. The shelves have solid plastic covers. They make washable covers for the wire ramps. You can add to this cage. The cage is spacious for my 3 pigs, and a lot can be done with the cage in terms of going creative with toys, houses, food, hay and water bowls dispensers, games, hanging hammocks, etc. The ladders come with a soft covering which is great on my piggy's feet. The size of each level is also optimum as you can find a lot of base pads for guinea pigs made for that exact same size. The assembly is great, and the cage is sturdy. It has a base level when you can also store guinea pig stuff like food, toys, houses, etc. Also comes with wheels so it is easy to maneuver while cleaning moving. The doors lock nicely and the cage feels like it is made of good quality metal. Number 4. Ferplast Favola Hamster Cage. It's the perfect home for your furry friend. It offers plenty of space and fun features to keep them happy and active. This cage features 2 spacious levels connected by a safe ramp. Your hamster will love exploring their new multi-level home. It comes complete with everything your hamster needs: a food bowl, water bottle, exercise wheel, and a cozy hideout. Everything is included for a happy and healthy hamster. The modular design makes cleaning a breeze. The top and middle sections easily detach from the base for effortless cleaning. With its generous dimensions, it provides plenty of room for your hamster to play, explore, and burrow. It's a spacious and comfortable home. We stand behind the quality of our product. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This cage comes fully equipped with everything your pet needs, including a wheel, food dish, and hideout. The modular design and easy-to-clean features make maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for a convenient and complete setup, this is the one for you. What people say? The width of the wire is a 1/4 inch, 0.25 inches, so he cannot escape and/or get stuck in the wire. The lower part of the cage is made of plastic and is nearly 5 deep, so I can add a lot of bedding material, since mice love to tunnel and hide during the day while they sleep. There is no way any of the bedding gets kicked out of the cage onto my floor. Number 3. Yaheetech Ferret Cage. This spacious cage provides a safe and comfortable home for your furry friend. It's built to last with durable, powder-coated metal. The strong metal frame and non-toxic paint ensure it's resistant to wear and corrosion. Heavy-duty casters make it easy to move. Secure latches on the two doors keep your pet safely inside. Smooth edges prevent any accidental injuries. The two-door design and slide-out tray make cleaning a breeze. The metal grate keeps your pet away from their waste. For universal wheels allow for smooth movement in any direction. This makes it easy to transport and reposition. With 4 tiers and ramps, it offers plenty of room for climbing and exploring. Perfect for multiple small animals. What we like. Made from durable metal, it offers a secure and safe environment for your pet. The easy clean design and slide-out tray simplify maintenance. If you prioritize durability and safety for your pet, this cage is a great choice. What people say. The size and overall layout is perfect for rats and other animals that need climbing vertical space. It also allows for plenty of decorations and personalization. Setup was actually pretty easy. It recommends 2 people to set it up, but I set one up by myself in about 20 minutes. It's just perfect for a chinchilla. Number 2. SONGMICS Pet Playpen ULPC001W01. Setting up this pet playpen is a snap. Simply connect the panels using the included connectors and mallet. It's quick and easy to assemble and disassemble. It provides a roomy and safe space for your small pets to play and explore. The smooth panels prevent escapes, ensuring your furry friends stay safely inside. The included floor adds stability and protects your floors from scratches and messes. It's a thoughtful detail for your home and your pet's safety. It's highly adaptable to your space. Arrange it in an L shape or even create a 2-story pet house. The possibilities are endless. The translucent panels let you keep an eye on your pets at all times. Cleaning is a breeze, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. What we like. It's a customizable and expandable playpen that you can easily assemble and rearrange to fit your space. The secure design prevents escapes. If you value flexibility and want a safe space for your pet to play, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to put together, easy to clean, simple design, and you can fit them how you want. Simple to stow away in a closet once taken apart, they are stable enough to not fall or break apart when there is weight put on them. Very sturdy and large. Easy to set up. It was super easy to put together. Even comes with a tiny mallet that I have kept and already used for a few other things. It holds both bunnies with plenty of room for a litter box, food, and water. These panels are very easy to clean. I just use my dust buster to clean up pellets and bunny fur and I can wipe them down quickly. Number 1. Yaheetech 54-foot rolling ferret cage. This spacious cage provides a safe and comfortable home for your small pets. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and peace of mind. It's built from strong, rust-resistant metal, creating a secure environment for your furry friends. This ensures a long-lasting and safe habitat. With its ideal bar spacing, it comfortably houses rats, ferrets, chinchillas, guinea pigs, sugar gliders, and even kittens. It's designed to accommodate a variety of small animals. Secure locks on the doors prevent escapes, while additional openings on top and in the middle allow for easy access for feeding and cleaning. Your pet's safety is our priority. The removable ramps and platforms let you customize the interior to create the perfect space for your pet. You can easily rearrange it to suit their needs. The cage sits on a rolling stand with a storage shelf for easy movement and convenient storage of pet accessories. Cleaning and rearranging is now a breeze. What we like. This large cage offers a spacious, multi-tiered design with removable ramps and platforms for customization. The rolling stand makes it easy to move. If you need a large, easily movable cage with customizable features, this is a great choice. What people say. The Yaheetech is roughly half the weight of the other option, very well made and sturdy in design. The ramps are very easy to attach to the plastic level trays. If you put your 532 Allen wrench through the hooks under the tray and gently stretch the plastic, the ramps pop in securely and fairly easily. It's a very sturdy cage for our needs, and the wheels hold the unit's extra tier and roll very well. I must say it is a very nice looking cage. I love the design, the doors are very well made and work beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.